Okay, today in the shop we're going to unbox the new THINKCAR Pro S. What does Misty think about that? That's what she thinks about it. And I'm gonna share a tip with y'all. My wife eats yogurt, and I save the containers, clean them, try to save the lids, and they're good for, man, you can put fluids in there, oil, parts, you know, nuts and bolts when you're taking something apart. They come in handy. Just a thing. And notebooks. I just got these notebooks. I got these off the Bay of E. Okay, so here's the box. ThinkCar.com. I actually got this one on the Bay of E. And we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. I've been out of town for a little while. That's why we haven't posted any videos on the shop channel. Aha! Dun, 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 dun. That makes it easier. Well, that was simple. Wasn't really. Now for the Think tool. Okay, so here we are, the Think tool. Everything's all neatly packaged. It looks really good so far. And this one is, oh, that's the thing that goes in the car. These look like some adapters. With the help of an adapter kit, this is basically if you want to turn a, oh my god, okay, these are adapters for plugs. It looks like if you were to do a European key or maybe some sort of weird charger thing. That looks like it's, oh wow, does that go, where does that go? I got this thing, that one, and this weird thing. Okay, so we move on from there. We get to the good stuff. Oh, the good stuff. Oh, it's not too heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Okay, so there you have it. The ThinkTool Pro S. Oh, let's see here. And it looks like it needs to be charged because nothing came on. I like the case. Oh, password letter. Okay, so there's a bag with some jumpers. We'll keep that there. See, and this is kind of weird because it's got this thing here. Oh, wait, which is not what it is. What I thought it was. Oh, that thing is in there pretty tight. I like it. Okay, that one takes a bit to get out. It's got this thing, and I don't understand why it's got that. Oh, and these. I don't know what these are. There's a, that might be the charging cord. And this looks like it plugs into the OBD2 port, but I don't know what this is. Okay, oh my gosh, look at all these. All kinds of weird stuff. And we'll have to read the instructions to see what this is. It's probably all right there in the instructions. And I'm wondering if these are, they look like maybe relay plugs. And then, yeah, maybe to check relays or to plug in and place a relays. But that goes to this, and then this goes to... Probably goes to one of these. Who knows? Very, very interesting. All sorts of cables and adapters. It's a lot here. I don't really see anywhere to plug anything into this. I mean, we got a USB and a thing for the charging, would be my guess. And then this is where, you know, a lot of the accessories, they got some, this thing does have some really bitchin' accessories. One that has got me very excited is the infrared accessories, pretty bitchin'. And then they got an O-scope too. You can hook a like an O-scope adapter to it. Yeah, so let's get this sucker charging. Where'd that charge cord go? See that I lost, oh, there it is right there. Okay, so here we are at the wall of charging action, Jackson. Let's see what we got here. And this is the little port you charge it from, I'm presuming. That's not the right one. I'm trying to plug some other crap in there. And there it goes. So we're charging. Oh, look at that. It's at 46%. Okay, so we'll let it charge to 100%. And then, okay. Oh, I had the instructions. Okay, turn on the machine. I push the button. Hopefully the machine turns on. Okay, the machine turns on. Select the language from the language displayed on the interface. That's step 1.1.2. Oh, it made a cute little sound. Okay, we've got English selected, right? English. It says English right there. Maybe you can't see that. Okay, so English is selected. Next. Oh, Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so, ooh, this one here looks like the 2XGXT. Okay, I went ahead and updated my password. There's a bunch of America, Sao Paulo, Amsterdam, London. Okay, so actually we're just gonna, it says America, Los Angeles. What did? America, Los Angeles. I guess that's going to be what we do for the time zone, because technically we are in the same time zone as Los Angeles. I'm presuming that's what they said. I mean, I'm in Idaho, North Idaho, so I'm in the same time zone as Los Angeles. Okay, register terms. Hello, thank you for using products, information we collect, account, additional, payment, where's that payment? Vehicle. We obtain information from you using our services. To use our services, we collect information about the vehicles you plug into your device. This information includes OBD2 diagnostic reports, which help explain why the car's inspection engine lights appear. System-wide test reports, which help, okay, so they're basically, that's good because they're, provide and maintain services, improve personalized developed, which we used this before. And They are good about their... Okay, log in. Email. Do they retrieve a new registration? New registration. Please supply your real information to obtain better service. Sounds good. My username. Password. Okay, so let me do the password. I gotta turn you guys off, man, because you know, password protection. Okay, so now I got to this part where it says CAPTCHA, and CAPTCHA is tripping me out. I have no idea what that means. Okay, it says here, you need to register an account through your email box. If you have owned other products, ThinkCars, you can directly log in by using the account available. Enter the connector serial. Okay, so I don't know what this CAPTCHA is here. Oh, it says 60, 59, 58, 57. Huh. Input the oh, my email. Oh, okay, duh. Well, you got to tell me that. I got no idea what that is. So basically, their Innoval inbox accounts. There's no email. Oh, ThinkCar verification code. Okay, so I got the verification 340864. 340864. And then enter. Okay, my serial number. Okay, so basically I entered the password letter stuff, the serial number, and the activation code, and it took me to this. Congratulations, register finished. You click OK. Module. I don't know what that's telling. Oh, look at that, huh? See, that's a printer that like clips right in the back. And I don't know, what do I, okay, skip. Ooh. So, oh. So we can go ahead and do all this stuff. Maintenance, ThinkStore. Let's go to the ThinkStore. See what we can buy here. Okay, these are all the things available. Think module lock, think TPMS. I think that's the one I got. It looks a little different than the one I got. I don't know how that's going to work. So this came with it in the box. So I don't. Oh, there's a thermal imager. Look at that right there. No ratings, no comment. So that's a thermal imager. Those things are badass. Think, buy it now. Please contact your local dealer. Okay, that's cool. So that's a ThinkStore. If you have the printer, remote diagnosis, module, whoa. Okay, so let's go back. Remotely control this device from any computer. Huh, that's pretty cool. That's remote diagnosis. ADAS. Let's go to diagnosis, scan. Okay. Oops. It is touchy. Yes, I want to exit. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is a list of vehicles here. Fengeshen, Dongfeng, Ferrari, Ford, Fiat, Force, Ford Australia, Photon, Opel, GM, Infinity, Jeep. Oh, look at that. There's Jeep right there. So let's see about plugging this thing in and see what we got.